polymorphism. Okay, now poly in the sense like it's a many. Okay, now morphism in the sense like forms. Okay, now many forms. Now one man can do like a number of tasks at a time. Simply here right now, okay, the online people are like watching like the class, okay, listening the class at the same time like eating, okay, now eating like some lunch and chatting like the girlfriends and boyfriends. Simply here, the person is the same, doing the same many tasks. Okay, but suppose simply here 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Now 12 plus now here I'm not right like sleeping. Okay. Now what is the output in the second line? 12 sleeping we are going to get. Observe carefully here. In this case, we got like a 24, but in this case we got like a 12 sleep. If you observe that one point, plus is the only one operator, but doing multiple operations. Okay. Now the plus is the only one operator. Okay, it is also plus, it is also plus. But this plus is doing here addition operation. Okay, here it is doing concatenation. Okay. Now this process is called operator overload. Okay, operator overloading. Simply poly and morphism, many forms. Now one operator, okay, many tasks. Now operator is overloaded. Okay. Now here by using polymorphism, we can achieve that performance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Now polymorphism in the sense like we can achieve the performance. How in a sense like by reducing like number of methods. Okay, now we can call the same method number of times without wasting of method name multiple times. We are going to get okay, that performance. Then how we can achieve this performance? Now we have the two ways. Now method overloading. Okay, now second method overriding. Okay, now there are two ways to achieve like polymorphism: method overloading, method overriding, or we can call like a static polymorphism. Okay, static polymorphism and a dynamic polymorphism or runtime. Okay, runtime polymorphism also. Okay, now method overloading and method overriding. Okay, now what is the mean by method overloading? First we are going to discuss. Okay, now what is a method overloading? But suppose before going to that, first we need to know how to write a method. Okay, now normally what is the syntax for the method? Access modifier. Okay, return type. Now method name. Okay, with a parenthesis, open and close it. Okay, the logic. Now this is the method. Okay, now what is the mean by method overloading in the sense? Method name is same. Okay, but signature is different. Okay, signature is different. Now observe carefully here. Now public void m1 method. Okay, m1 method. Now control copy, control V, control V, control. Okay. Now observe carefully here. Every method name is same, right? Okay. Now method name is same. Observe carefully here. Now int age. Okay. Now int age. Now string name. Observe carefully here. Now if you observe like the three methods are looking like same. Method name is the same. But what is the difference? The parameter, the arguments are different. Now here I don't want to pass any parameters. Here I want to pass like one parameter. Here two parameters. Now method name is same, but the signature is different. What's the mean by the signature simply? Now first public, now void demo, now simply the logic. Okay, this is the representation of method. Now this is what method head we can call, right? The method head, okay, now this is entire thing is a method head. Now this part we can call method signature. Okay, now this part, the entire part we can call head, but method name with a parenthesis or if any parameter simply we can call it's a method signature. Now what about this one? So method body. Okay, method body. Now up to this entire thing we can call the method head. Okay, method head. This part we can call it's a like a method signature. Now, what is the definition here? We have method overloading. Method name is same, but signature is different. Okay. Now, in the name itself, in the definition itself, we have object over here. Method name is same. Okay. Now, but okay, but number of parameters are different. Okay. Next one. Method name is same. Okay, but okay, type of arguments are different. Okay, now method name is same. Okay, now but order of params are different. Okay, if you observe that this is the main definition. Okay, here we have like three ways. Now, okay, now trying to execute that different like website simply. Now each and every definition is executing separate example. Okay, now this is one example, this is one example, this is one example. But these three here are not executing the single example.